So as you go through menopause, it just becomes more and more difficult for your body to make the hormones that it needs. Now, that's a natural thing that can be alleviated as long as you do the right things. One of the things that's very important is to give yourself the proper nutrients, the proper things that your body needs to actually make the hormone. For example, in my practice, I see about 20% of people who have symptoms of low thyroid. That can be menopause. It can also just be something like an iodine deficiency or a zinc deficiency or a copper deficiency. So it's very important that as you proceed through menopause, that you give your body the proper nutrients with the proper supplementation to help you through these tough times.